Welcome back to another WebShield WebCube WordPress tutorial. And what we're going to do today is we're going to tinker with some menus on our site. You can see that at the moment, if we look at our web page, the site is rather lacking in menus with a simple Add Menu button at the top. So how do we change that? Well, first of all, we go to the Appearances and down here in Menus and make sure that the menu that we've created is made as the default menu. I'm just going to show you how I actually made that menu by deleting this menu and creating a fresh one. So you can see up here it says create new menu. We pick that, type in, I'm just going to call it nav, create the menu there, and we're going to add some pages to that. So you can see our 2 pages there, and we just select to add these to our menu. And that's created our menu there. If we want to make that our top menu, we simply go here and say primary menu, save menu, and then we can see that we've got our site has now got the menu at the top, which shows us we can flick between our 2 pages. Now that's pretty simple. What we might like to do is make some sub-menus, for example. So let's just make another page here quickly. So we'll just generate a new page here, a new page at the top, and we'll call it bike specs, and what I'm going to do is add some specifications. I'll add a little bullet list here, and I'll say that I've got 10 gears on my bike, and also I've got a bell. And hit publish, and we get our basic bike specs page made live. If we go back to our menu options here under appearance, we can actually then add this site. You can see that the site has been made available here, that the new page has been made available. I'm going to rearrange our pages first of all. I just want to put the home page at the top. Okay, it's a little tricky at first, but there we go. And I want the specs page to be added in as a sub-menu to our About Bike page. So first of all, I'm going to go over here and add the menu in. And now what I'm going to do is dump it on top of the About Bike one. You can see it adds as a sub-menu. Don't forget to save the menu. And now when we go back to our web page, what we can see is that we've now got a drop-down sub-menu. And if we want to see the page in responsive format, we can minimize our window here and see the same page work in responsive format. So on resizing the page or the window, we can see what it's going to look like on a mobile device. You can see it's pretty good at this particular theme at resizing. And we can click the menu option, and we get our menu as a nice drop-down with a sub-menu inside there, and we can flick between pages this way. So that's been helpful, I hope, for you. You can see how to set up sub-menus and menus within WordPress. Enjoy, and we'll hope to see you again soon.